So the question every video editor or freelancer asks themselves, how to get video editing clients in 2025. When you're born on this planet, let's keep it very, very simple. There are only certain ways you can get clients in terms of how you can contact other people. And this video is specifically for me a couple years back. So you will know the difference between clients which pay you 200 and clients which pay you 3,000 or 5,000 per month. And in this video, I give everything away as if I'm talking to myself 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago. The ways of how you can contact other people is very simple. You've done them pretty much already, sending cold DMs over Instagram or contacting over email or over the phone. Now the question is, who do you reach out to? Because this makes a big difference if you're making $200 or $3,000, $4,000 per month. And then there's also the question, what do you offer towards these people? Because only offering video editing isn't a smart move. So let me explain. So you're a video editor right now and you start to building tractions. And now you approach to a business owner and you say, hey, I would like to edit your videos, and it will cost $500, $1,000 per month. Now there's no value which he sees directly. Obviously, yes, when he gets more views and everything, that's amazing. But what if you approach him with a different offer, with the boring stuff, which is, what will happen if I get you this amount of clients? Take a look at this YouTube channel. I've done it already in the past. So coming back towards the cold approach, because now it's the question, who do you reach out to? So there's the cold and the warm outreach. Warm outreach is everything you have in this phone. So every contact you have in your phone, this is a warm outreach. And I would start there because over my network, I alone closed thousands of dollars just because I reached out to the right businesses. I sent them the right copy and I offered the right thing as a video editor. Then when it comes to cold outreach, I would focus on businesses which really need your views, which really need the outcome which you can sell. So it's literally not about the outreach method. It's not about cold calls. It's not about emails. It's also not about cold DM. Everything works. Literally everything works. But if you are not hitting that $10,000 per month, you're doing something wrong. To hit this number, you just need to go very logical steps in order to get to this mark. If you want to have more information on this, if you want to work with me, there's as well a testimonial, first link in the description, where I made Nico in 60 days $20,000 with exactly this method, which I just told you about. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and we will see each other in another video. Bye bye.